So early morning here at Swirals car park, and we've just started our climb up to Helvellyn. It's pitch black. What a morning. See you halfway up. Sorry, this is a voiceover because it was so windy on Swirls Edge that you can't actually hear me talking at all. All you can hear is the wind. At Swirls Edge, it was hard to come down, not as hard as Striding Edge. This is Latham, who I was with, mountain photographer on Instagram. Relatively okay to come down. Got some cracking shots of Red Tarn, and from the summit of the sunrise. We spent probably about an hour at the top, and then started our descent and a circular round down to Hole in the Wall, and then back up Striding Edge. This is us at Red Tarn. There was a few people wild camping there, but yeah, lovely time. Okay, that behind me is Striding Edge. We've just done Swirls Edge, which is over my shoulder, and we've come round in a full circle through past Red Tarn, and now we're on Striding Edge. Yeah, shall say interesting. So hopefully we'll get across here, no bother. Glorious day. You can see Ullswater in front of me. Just spin that round. There's Ullswater, just there. Yeah, so I'm just balancing on the rock at the moment, so I'm just with Latham, who's there, and he's a mountain photographer. You can find him on Instagram, mountain photographer. Just been chatting to two lads and exchanging Instagram names. So yeah, we'll see you on the other side at the top of Helvellyn after we've done Striding Edge. So I've just finished Striding Edge. It is an edge. We got there and we're back onto the summit. That's all I can say. Worth doing as an experience. We've got some good shots, so I'm going to post some of the photographs that we took now. Hope you enjoy them. And now it's back down to Helvellyn and into Swirls car park. Okay, so we're halfway down from Helvellyn, coming down to Whiteburn car park, Helvellyn, and then we'll walk parallel along with A7iii back to Swirls car park. So glorious day, and I'll show you some pictures now of what I've taken when I've been coming down. So we're almost back at the car at Swirls car park. We've just got to go along this forest track, and that will take us parallel to the A7iii and Helvellyn, and then back to the car, and that would be us finished for the day. Top of Helvellyn, Swirls Edge, Striding Edge, and back down. So the map on the left shows us walking from Swirls car park all the way up to the summit, taking a few pictures at the top, going down Swirls Edge, and for some reason on the map on the right it shows us going to the Hole in the Wall and along Striding Edge, and then it just stops, whether I didn't continue my my app on my watch, or whether it just lost signal. But then it shows us the journey going back down towards Whiteburn car park and along the forest track back to Swirls car park. It said we did about 10 miles, and I was absolutely shattered during it, so apologies for the lack of video, but it's just because I was absolutely cream crackered and I underestimated the mountain. And yeah, don't ever underestimate Helvellyn, especially Striding Edge. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. Don't let this put you off. Go for it. I'm sure you can capture some cracking shots like I did. Take care. Bye for now.